Divine Collective, let's talk spell work, okay? As I personally, I don't do spell work, Divine Collective. However, I'm not against it. Not against it at all. As, once again, I see the bigger picture and I feel like everybody has a part to play, okay? Everybody, they do what they do. Divine Collective, that's just how I feel, okay? Because they have a part to play. However, let's talk love spells, okay? Love spells. Let me tell you something that's very important, okay? If you're thinking about doing a love spell, to try and get someone to come back to you or get someone to love you, Divine Collective, I wouldn't advise that as a spiritual guide. I would not advise that at all. Why? Because personally, this is my own personal feelings and opinion. Personally, I feel like it's not natural when you do spell work, okay? And a lot of you will have to come back, well, what was so natural about that girl over there taking my man away from me? There wasn't anything natural about that, so I'm going to take my man back from her, right? Like, Divine Collective. If something like that takes place in your life, that's all about switching your perspective and starting to see the bigger picture. You have to know that if someone was able to take something from you, it was never yours in the first place. So for me, that's the first sign that I shouldn't be doing spell work, right? Because I'm not going to sit here and try to imagine or think of why God allowed that to happen the way that it did, right? That's me taking control of the situation, trying to control the outcome, and not allowing God to have complete control, right? But when it comes to love spells, Divine Collective, if you're doing love spells, if you're having others do love spells, and you're not quite sure what you're getting yourself into, if you're doing a love spell on someone who is high vibrational, Divine Collective, the chances of you ending up in complete psychosis, spiritual psychosis, are very, very high. Here's the thing. If you're doing a love spell on a high vibrational being, someone who needs no validation, doesn't require, anyone to love them, so to say, Divine Collective, why? Because that high vibrational being has healed so much that they understand that the love starts within them, okay? Okay, so you're dealing with someone who genuinely is in love with themselves. They've done so much work, they've healed so much that they've fallen completely in love with this version of themselves. So when you do spell work on people like that, Divine Collective, it can only bounce back, okay? It can't attach to a high vibrational being that is walking their path. They have a specific path to walk, and you cannot alter that. God is not going to allow that. So again, the chances of you ending up in a complete spiritual psychosis are very, very high when that love spell backfires, okay? I just want all of you to know that. I've had a few people try love spells on me, Divine Collective, and it did not turn out the way that they anticipated, okay? Complete psychosis. What it does is it turns that person that's doing the work, it turns them into an obsessed stalker, okay? So instead of you wanting this person so badly or just falling at their feet, Divine Collective, it has backfired, and now this person has become a stalker, very obsessive, very deranged, Divine Collective. That's what happens when love spells backfire, okay? So Spirit just wanted me to get on here and kind of speak some knowledge about what I know, okay? And I've seen it with my own eyes. People who have had love spells done or energy work surrounding love. I've watched people go into spiritual psychosis, Divine Collective, because one of the people had already healed from the relationship, from all the pain, okay? So when that energy went back, that person was not okay, right? I've been through it myself. I have personal experiences, and it's not pretty, Divine Collective. All right, I'm all about being natural, but again, I'm not against spell work. I have some very good friends that are also in the spiritual community that they do spell work, Divine Collective. And like I said, everyone has a part to play. Everybody knows their part in the spiritual community, Divine Collective, and I'm not here to judge anybody. I think everybody's gifts are beautiful, Divine Collective. I think we're all so unique. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk about spell work gone wrong, okay? Another thing I want to talk about is making sure that you're in order. You are in order, Divine Collective, before you go trying to put any spell work on anybody else. That's very important. I just, for the life of me, can't understand how someone will try to put a spell on someone when they are absolutely unhinged themselves, Divine Collective. Make sure that you're right. If you're going to partake in spell work, Divine Collective, you might want to make sure that you're put together, okay? Peace, love, and light.